Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G. For that we will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just a short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just a short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something here inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part here directly, or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. And there's a second way to have a screenshot, and a pretty cool way. For that, you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time. Take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And if you want, you can have also a screenshot here of your front screen. And yeah, for that, use the power button and the lower volume key here. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having here a screenshot. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures, the screenshots are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.